We'll going to look at how to file Nil GST return. Before filing Nil GST return, we'll see what will be the contents of the video. Okay, first about Nil GST return. How to proceed in the website. Go to the services section. Then in services section, you can opt in for quarterly returns. If you are filing Nil GST for like every 3 months, then there is no point in doing it every month because it's just a hassle. So you can do it every quarterly, and yeah, you can change it there. It's easy. Then again from services, you go to returns dashboard, then select financial year. Then first do the GSTR1. Then you prepare it, then click on prepare online, then file in GSTR1, then file statement, then authorization and file with EVC. Then about GSTR3B, click yes for nil return, and there are some 3 points which you have to read, and there should be no output from your company. There should not be any input. There should not be any tax credit certificate, and then tick verification, then authorize and file with EVC. Then about the due dates of GSTR and GSTR3B. For GSTR1, quarterly due dates are 13th of the month, monthly returns are 11th of the month, and for GSTR3B, and you should always file GST-3B after 14th of the month if by checking GST-2B if input tax credit is present. If there is no input tax credit, nothing, there is no transaction in the company, then yeah, you can file GST-3B immediately. So the due dates is 22, 24th and 25th of the month. It's quarterly. Then monthly it is 28th of the month. The fine which can be levied on you if you are not filed nil GST return or failed to file it is 20 rupees per day, maximum of rupees 500 per month, which is capped at 500 rupees per month for nil GST. Yeah, now let's go proceed to do it practically. No, I don't do GTA services, so okay. See, it's showing that to file GSTR1 and GSTR3 for the May. Until April, I had not registered. So, as we had discussed, go to services, then our return section, then yeah, return dashboard, then opt in for quarterly return. I'll show the opt in for quarterly return immediately. See the financial year. See, I already opted for July to September quarterly, but April to June it automatically took it as monthly because my GST was approved around April. And yeah, as there are, it is not possible to do quarterly for just May and June because quarterly won't include May and June, so just it has taken monthly. See the due dates here. One is 11/5/2025, 20th/5/2025 for the April. Then for the May month it's showing this. For May month you should do it before 11th of June and 28th of June. I guess you got the idea because you can't do May month nil GST in the May 11th. You should go to June 11th to do it. Yeah. Now we'll file the GST services returns. Returns dashboard. Okay, so you can do it Christmas quarter, not quarter. Okay, period June, May. Search. Yeah. Scheduled is 11th of June and today now it is already 9th of June. Yeah. Let's prepare it online. Then click on file nil GST and see everything has vanished. Yeah. That's it. Let's check once again. JSON prepare. Yeah. File nil GST1, then file statement. Now then authorize by myself. and file with EVC. So I have to give a OTP. To verify, please. No thanks. So it is showing acknowledgement ARN. Shall copy it for further reference. So yeah, I successfully filed it for the month of May. And they sent it through my messages to the registered phone number. Now let's go back. Everything shown here was sent to me through the okay. Again May. Search GST-registered is filed. I can give it. Let me go back. Oh, sorry. Yes, okay. GST 3B. I'll prepare it online. See, beyond files, what the 3 points which I said when registering GST 3B is I have not made any outward supplies, I have not received any inward supplies, and do not earn liability for the particular tax period. That means I have to pay nothing for the month of May. So, yes, and next, see, summary status says GST 2B, if there is input tax credit, GST 2B has to be done, or else no worries. Verify because file GST 3B with EVC. Again, I have to give the OTP. Get it verified. Again, I got the acknowledgement number and done. That's how easily you can file Nil GST. Just log out. Thank you, everyone.